You've got your overnight bags? Candy? Crisps?
I brought periwinkle pick and mix.
What about Senior Snugglewumps?
Can't snooze without him.
Then it looks like we're ready for our first solo sleepover! Woohoo! Fish-tastic! Yeah!
So, your mum and dad are definitely out all evening?
They're spending the night in a 5-star cattery. We can stay up till 10 o'clock. Maybe even 10:30.
The latest possible time.
Nothing can ruin this sleepover.
Welcome, kiddos. I made popcorn.
Felina! This is meant to be a solo sleepover. No babysitters.
But I rented the Care Cats movie. Your favorite. Wait a minute. You didn't think you'd be left home alone?
Why is that funny? I'm really actually very grown up.
Of course you are.
Dad here. Can you tell Flix I left his fuzzy Jim Jammies out? Give him a kissy-wissy good night from Mumsy and me.
Fuzzy Jim Jammies. Kissy-wissy.
You can keep your kissy-wissy, but you're never too old for fuzzy Jim Jammies.
Face it, Flix. Being home alone is a big responsibility.
But I'm not alone. And Tabby and Munchkin are sleepover specialists. Right?
Well, what if something goes wrong or you get scared?
Hello, I'm a guard dog. We stay cool in a crisis. Please, Felina. If you let us babysit ourselves, I'll serve you dinner on a silver platter and do all your chores.
And you have to call me Queen Felina at school for a whole week. Deal?
Yes! Thank you! Silly salmon shake to seal the deal?
Sounds very grown up.
This is it, my friends. Solo sleepover is back on. Which means... Jumping on the couch!
Making mud pies!
And eating whatever we want.
Smells like something tasty. Well, hello there. Sea bass for dinner.
You are having whatever you like because I don't need to help you at all. Do I? Not even at dinner time.
Oh, of course. We've got something even tastier in mind. Felina's not the only one with a taste for the finer things in life. Lord Munchkin, Lady Tabitha, shall we dine? A very fine spread, what? Bon appetit, my feline friends.
Anyone else feel a little too full?
I think I've gone sugar blind.
To the living room. We can chill out with a movie and a frustrating excuse for fort.
Why aren't you structurally sound?
I think my dad usually helps us.
How does Zeno do it? Ah!
Everything okay in here?
Absolutely. All under control.
You guys are adorable.
Stop treating us like babies, Felina. Besides, would babies watch Attack of the 50-Foot Jaguar?
That movie is definitely not recommended for kittens or pups.
Hey, we're in charge tonight, remember? And when the cat's away, the 50-Foot Jaguar will play. And it's time to get a whiff of everyone's favorite game. What's that smell? So, kitty cat, who are you and where do you come from?
Hi, I'm Tabby Scratch from Cattown.
Welcome to the show. Are you ready to play What's That Smell?
I'd like to know, what did I have for dinner last night?
Ooh, let's see. Or should I say, let's smell. Time for this canine to flex his nasal know-how. Aha! This olfactory never lets me down. Last night, Tabby, you had cod carpaccio. Thank you. It's a gift. I'm a natural. I don't know what to say.
But you're wrong. I had mackerel mini bites.
What? Are you sure? Yes, very good, of course. Mackerel mini bites. That was a toughie. 1-0 to Tabby Scratch. And you, my fine feline, who are you and where do you come from?
I'm Munchkin from the Tiger Milk Cafe, and I'd like to know what's in my lunchbox.
Easy. Anchovy crackers.
No, it's seafood paste patties.
2-0 to the cats.
Maybe I've got a cold. But someone with extra smelly feet and a sardine sandwich is coming around the corner.
What? Have I got something on my face?
One extra stinky foot here and here.
Hey! My feet are not smelly! Ha!
And one sardine sandwich.
It's sushi. Get your own.
Looks like your olfactory has shut down, Flix.
But this can only mean one thing. I've lost my sense of smell. Nope, not there. Hello?
I think Flix has lost his marbles as well as his sense of smell.
Did you know that cats have 200 million odor receptors in their noses, but a dog has 300 million?
300 million? If there's so many, then where are they?
Flix, I don't think you can find a sense of smell.
Maybe you can remember the last time you had it.
Yes. Try your mind palace.
Anyone home?
If my mind has a palace, it's pretty empty right now.
A mind palace is a way of remembering things. Let me show you. Just close your eyes. Explore your thoughts and memories. Let them guide you to your sense of smell.
Okay, mind palace. Explore my thoughts and memories. Come on, Flix. Think. Further back.
Flix, stop hogging the bathroom.
Can't beat some suds. And got it. And fetch. Nice catch, Flix.
Flix, focus! You're meant to remember where you lost your sense of smell, not just recreate pleasant memories.
I'm just getting the hang of it.
It's working, Flix. Let's go again.
The last time I had my sense of smell was when... Dad served up his shrimp stew.
Flix, don't rush your food.
So, what happened to your smell?
It just seems to have vanished. A great sense of smell is one of the perks of being a dog. I've got to find it. Maybe we can find some clues at home.
Great, let's head back to Inception.
Do what?
The beginning of this mystery.
I didn't do this graffiti, you know. But Flix does look kind of funny.
Why do you have to be so mean to him?
Why does he have to be so annoying?
He's not annoying all the time.
Whoops.
Okay, maybe sometimes.
I'm sorry I said you look like a bat.
Thanks. You should probably apologize to Flix, too.
What for?
Wasn't it you who caused the stink bomb?
Speed cleaning.
You should cut him some slack. He's a dog in a cat's world. It's not easy for him.
Looking spit spot, what?
Yeah, it was just some dumb graffiti.
What? Do I have something on my face? You're probably plotting sloppy celery revenge.
No, I just wanted to say I'm sorry for being mean to you sometimes.
Who are you talking to? It looks like you're talking to me, but...
Seriously, I know what it's like to try to be the center of attention. I do it all the time, but sometimes it backfires.
We really need to work on your comedy routine. What's the punchline?
No joke. No punchline.
Oh, I get it. You want to be friends with me so you can be closer to Felina. You're not fooling me. You're just a silly Billy cat bully.
It's not that simple. I want to be popular. But you're the only dog around, so you get all the attention.
Whoa! You mean I make life hard for you?
You wouldn't understand. Flix, Burma! No kitty chats! Back to work! Ugh, my nose is not that big. Rub it off! Rub it all off!
Ooh, whoa. It really does stink in here.
Ammonium sulfide. It's a chemical that creates a strong rotten egg odor. We've got Burma to thank for this one.
It was an accident, I swear!
Don't worry, chlorine bleach will take care of this.
Ew! Get back, horrid smell! You're not the only thing around here to pack a punch. Hi-ya! Hoo ha hee hoo ha hoo! Oops. But this gives me an idea. Cocker poodle doo!
We're trying to work here, Flix.
Sorry, I was trying to lighten the mood. And if you know how everything should be done, why are you even in detention in the first place?
You really want to know why I'm in detention? It's because of you, Flix.
Me?
Some cats were hissing about you behind your back. So I called them a bunch of scaredy cats, but they tattled on me, Taratsky.
I don't know what to say. Thank you for sticking up for me. And I'm sorry. I don't mean to be annoying or for everything to be about me, especially if it gets you into trouble. Let's clear the air.
I hate to say this, but looks like they've actually done a good job.
Take a sniffy whiff of that.
I don't smell anything.
Exactly.
Help! I'm stuck! Quick! Ratsky needs our help!
Let's leave him here for the night. I'm joking. Come on. Let's dig up this old fossil. Looking a bit pale, sir. Pale? Pale? Bucket? Aw, come on! I'm giving you gold here.
I forbid you to tell anyone about this.
Only if you let us off detention. After all, we've cleaned the school and saved the deputy headmaster.
Very well.
Nice. Hey, I've got a joke that will cheer you up. What do you call a dog magician? A labracadabrador.
Ugh, I think I prefer it under here. Watch and learn, mutt.
Note to self. Stop biting your nails.
Come on, let's set up the tent.
But if I don't climb the catenators, I'm out of the Wildcats.
You'll get your chance later, Flix. Basics first. I need my assistant.
Wildcat assistant at the ready.
Hold this pole, would you, son?
Holding a pole, my specialty. This doesn't... Ah! It was him!
Maybe Wildcats isn't for you. We can go home, watch a movie.
No, I'm the ultimate outdoor cat. I can do it. You'll see. Fish cakes! I've lost the scent back to camp. Dad? Dad? Anyone? Oh!
Oh, Flix. I looked everywhere. Where did you go?
I followed my nose.
I was worried, Flix. I'm just glad you're okay.
All Wildcats to the Catanators. Repeat. Can all Wildcats make their way to the Catanators?
Time to find out if Wildcats is really for me or not.
The fastest cat to climb their tree will receive a Wildcats Wilderness badge. Ready? It's the Catanator, not the Doganator.
The Doganator? Yeah, I'm a dog. I need to be a wildcat, the dog way. I'm dog of the world!
Oh, rats! Not again!
Wow. My son, the Wildcat.
Whoa, Flix, well done!
Way to go, Flix.
You climbed a crummy tree. So what? You'll never be the ultimate outdoor cat.
Give me the ultimate challenge then. I can do anything. Burma, do you have mice for brains? It's against the rules to go near the water.
The ultimate outdoor cat doesn't follow any rules.
You fuzzy furball!
Ha! So you do want to race?
Eat my waves!
Flix, help!
Ha! I'm not falling for that!
I can't swim!
No wildcat gets left behind!
Oh, double rats!
Wildcats! Looks like someone is up the creek without a paddle.
Flix! Is he rescuing Burma Fang?
Now that's the ultimate outdoor cat.
Ta-da! This guy can fix anything.
Ha, we should have guessed.
Totally.
Champ! I wasn't expecting a visit.
It's a cat emergency, Dad.
Oh?
It's me, Mr. Crawl. My caterwauling won't work. I can't sing. But maybe you can fix my voice.
Like this, Dad?
Now sing, Tabby, sing.
Did it work? She's a cat, not a clock, Zeno. I know exactly what will help.
Ugh! It's like Smelly Socks got into a fight with a cowpat.
What's in it?
Herbs, medicine, lemon, fish heads, beetles. Cured every sore throat I ever had.
For the talent show.
Whoa! You are one hardcore cat.
We told Miss Hiss that I'd caterwaul. We can't let her down. No!
If only your voice could tell us why it won't caterwaul. Like, I'm a bit tired, so I'm not caterwauling today. Sorry, guys.
That's it, Flix. We need to go deep. We need to talk to my voice.
Okay, settle back. Relax. Nice and easy. Munchkin! This is for Tabby.
Sorry. It was all very soothing.
I'm ready, Flix. Ask me questions.
What's your favorite snack food at the cinema? Popcorn. Is it popcorn?
Questions about singing, Flix.
Ruff, how did you feel when you tried to sing in front of everyone?
I remember feeling excited to show everyone that I could caterwaul, and then everyone was staring. Everyone. They were all watching me. All those eyes.
Sounds like you were scared.
Stage fright? But you weren't even on stage yet.
I kind of was. Flix is right. I was scared. But maybe I can block out the audience. Oh, that's much better. I'll be able to sing from behind this sheet.
Well, we're about to find out. The talent show starts in half an hour.
Totally meant that. We were epic.
That's your cue, Tabby.
But what if I can't do it?
We'll be right there with you.
Don't worry, Tabby. We've got you covered. Literally.
No, Flix. Take down the sheet. I've got to do this the right way. The sun on my face. It's not a school day. This is out of this place.
Because I'm down. Cat blues. Cat blues.
The sun in my face. Another school day. Get me out of this place. Because I'm Tabby. This is the Tabby Cat Blues.
Ow! Round! Squeaky blues.